All right, my name is John Elder from elderacademy.com, and I'll be your instructor today. In this video, we're going to go over multiplication using nines. So nines tend to give a lot of people trouble, and it's actually pretty easy to multiply by nines. And I'm going to teach you a little trick that's easy to use and you can memorize quickly so that it'll help you out. So we're just going to go through the multiplication table in nines up until 10 and just walk you through it. So pull this up. So let's just start out with 9 times 1, right? So this one's pretty easy. We don't even really need to do anything. We just know 9 times 1, 9 times itself, is 9, right? So that's an easy one. We'll just sort of skip that. We won't even talk about our little trick yet. So let's move on to the second one. 9 times 2 equals. So here's how the trick works. You take the number you're multiplying by, in this case 2, and you just subtract 1 from it. And then we move this up here. Now, we need to think to ourselves, 1 plus what equals 9? In this case, 1 plus 8 equals 9, right? So we can sort of confirm that if we want by multiplying, or by adding 1 plus 8, and that's 9. Pretty simple. Okay, so let's go on to 9 times 3 equals. And again, apply our trick, subtract 1, and we get 2. So bring that number up here. Now 2 plus what equals 9? 2 plus 7 equals 9. And again, we can sort of confirm that by doing some quick math here. 2 plus 7 equals 9, which is the same thing there. Cool. Okay, so let's move on to 4. So 9 times 4 equals what? Apply our trick, subtract 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So bring that one up here. Now 3 plus what equals 9? 3 plus 6. Pretty cool. And again, we can confirm that by adding 3 plus 6, and that equals 9. Awesome. Black color here. Okay, moving on. 9 times 5 equals what? So let's do our trick. Subtract 1. Bring the 4 up here. Now 4 plus what equals 9? 4 plus 5. All right. And we can, again, confirm that by adding 4 plus 5, which equals 9. So you see, every time the digits of our answer always add up to 9. That's the nice thing about multiplying by 9. You can always check your work to make sure you've got the correct answer. So let's delete those and start with 6. So let's go 9 times 6 equals what? So again, subtract 1, and we get 5. Bring the 5 up here. 5 plus what equals 9? 4. And if we want to check, 5 plus 4 equals 9. Okay, so let's go 7. 9 times 7 equals what? Well, 7 minus 1 equals 6. Bring up the 6. Now 6 plus what equals 9? 3. And again, we can confirm 6 plus 3 equals 9. Awesome. All right, almost done. Now let's try 8. So let's go 9 times 8 equals what? Well, apply our trick, subtract 1, and we get 7. Now 7 plus what equals 9? 7 plus 2. 7, 8, 9. And we can confirm 7 plus 2 equals 9. Finally, 9 times 9 equals what? Well, the trick still applies. Subtract 1, we get 8. Bring that 8 up. Now 8 plus 1 equals 9. Pretty easy one. And we can check that out by adding 8 plus 1, and that equals 9. So pretty simple, and we can actually keep going and do this for 10 too if you really need to. I mean, 9 times 10, you know, obviously the answer is 10 or is 90, but we can still do our trick. So check it out. 10 minus 1 is 9. Bring the 9 up here. Oops. Now 9 plus what equals 9? 9 plus 0, right? And we can sort of confirm that by adding 9 plus 0, which equals 9. And again, we can look at all of these, you know, when we add up the two numbers in our answer, we get 9, 9, 9, 9, and 9. Very cool. Now, one last thing I want to talk about, we can't do this trick after 10. So I'll show you what I mean. If we go 9 times 11, and that equals what? Well, let's do our trick. Subtract 1, we get 10. Bring that up here. Oh, wait a second. Now, 10 plus what equals 9? Well, 10 plus negative 1 equals 9. But this isn't really an answer, right? So the trick stops working past 10. So my name is John Elder from elderacademy.com, and I hope you liked this video. Subscribe below if you did, and we'll see you next time.